Yeah, I go in beast mode. I got the cheat code hot. I caught a heat stroke. Dot. She want a deep throat cold like it's the East Coast.
Play the other song. Play the other one. The other one.
You want me to say the word? I'll say the word.
You better not.
Oh, I'll say it.
Hey, all of
America.
All of America.
Listen.
All of America are gonna see.
N word. Hey, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
You.
I'm different.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
Yeah, I'm different. Yeah, I'm different.
Yeah.
I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. And I beat the pussy like a new song. 2 chains, but I got me a few. I don't feel good, but my trigger had me. But the stripper had me. But they wish they had me. And I wish a nigga would like they wish they had me. And me and you a cut from a different fabric. Bitch sick, then you got a bad addict. Gave her the wrong, now man a bad addict. You ain't going nowhere like a bad natty. Ass so big, I told her look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it. I am so high like a addict. I am so high like a addict.
Oh, she's pissed. She's pissed at this shit.
Ain't
You
that
better record her.
She quit.
Don't record me. Oh, she quit?
Why she quit?
Oh, she quit?
You said I quit.
Oh, boy.
Oh,
That's an
boy.
entanglement.
That's an entanglement.
That's an entanglement.
Damn, what's up? Let's go hop, get on the interstate
No, he can't.
Come on,
He
man,
can't fuck with you.
and run this.
He can't fuck with you.
Let's run it.
He can't
That-
fuck with
his boat is just swamp.
What?
shit.
Let's go.
You got a V6.
I'll smash
hey,
that thing. I'll smash
You're
it.
drunk as hell.
You got a V6. Nah.
I can't find my car.
Oh, shit. I wouldn't buy no car that's a V6. Fuck it.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Let's run them.
Why you so angry?
$500.
Let's.
$500.
Oh, well, shouldn't go 1,000
He
then.
can't give you a title or something. He don't.
I got 1,000. You know what? You know
That
what
ain't even worth my time.
Rev it up then. Rev it up.
Let's go. With your RT, let's roll. Come on.
Nah, bro.
All right.
3 M's. Talk to it. Talk to it. Point, but I ain't even. Watch out.
Hey, are we going or
The
no?
Finny Justin Rock it down from.
going or
We're
no?
going.
Where are we going? You know where we're going?
No,
Where we going?
you don't know where we're
No,
going.
those girls with
They
Ben.
both just added me though on
Those
Snapchat.
girls with Ben.
Yeah, they both just added me on Snapchat.
Okay, I
Just
know
call
where they're
Ben
at.
or tell Ben to
I
text
know where
it.
they're at.
You don't fucking know.
12170 Augusta Ave. It's IHOP on the center. Right behind those apartments. Let's
When
roll.
you going?
We're about to run on the interstate. On the way there, motherfucker. Let's
You
roll.
ain't going. Are you going?
You're going, motherfucker. Let's go.
Are you going?
Well, where?
See?
Right.
He ain't going,
Hey,
bro. Let me get in with you.
Fuck it. I'm rolling. I ain't got.
All right, come on. You about to leave him? You about to leave his little shit?
Fuck yeah.
Look at this shit.
Better get a little.
We on your ass, boy. So get that little V6 out of here, huh?
Yeah.
What? He said from here to center, right? Leave his ass. Leave his motherfucking ass. Hold on, he's getting over too. Hold on. Hold on, look. You leaving it for that? Oh, shit. Y'all only doing 100. This nigga ain't even going fast. Y'all ain't
I'm doing 90.
90.
This shit ain't fast enough. It's too slow.
Get on his ass. Nigga said I'm about to come up, nigga.
Hey, that V6 ain't shit.
Leave him, man.
Yeah.
You wig. We let you win.
Yeah, right.
We let you win.
You better go get some more horses. Fuck
Huh?
that motherfucker.
Hold on, go to this red light and then turn. Yeah, turn. You can turn. Y'all can turn. Go to this red light. When it turn green, go to the next one. Let go. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right, bro. Hit him with the bye bye. Hit the rear view. Hit him with the bye bye. Hit him with the bye bye. Oh, he's supposed to be in front. That's the bad part. No, now you want to do something, you sucker.
That V6. That's not it.
He said it ain't enough.
Hell no.
He said it ain't enough. Leave.
What did you got to on the interstate?
Huh?
What's the highest you got to on the interstate?
100.
100?
That's it.
Take that L.
And I was dusting
Take
you.
that L. Take that L.
I'll take that out.
Hey, I slowed down like, man.
Take that L. Take that L. Take that L.
It ain't my car. I ain't mad. Somebody
Oh,
else's
you
car.
ain't mad because it ain't
If it was
your
my
car,
car,
huh?
I'd be pissed.
Who does that though?
ain't
Who,
tripping.
who goes and buys a Mustang?
Four-cylinder Mustang.
Yes.
Yeah, he's fucking up. Four-cylinder
Ain't
Mustang.
nowhere to park around this motherfucker now.
My RPMs went.
Hey, and I slowed down like a motherfucker to let you catch up.
I did too on Dodge.
Wow.
Slow down and get next to you and then try to take off again.
Fuck trash. They live all the way at the top. That sucks.
White people, dude.
Fucking white people.
Hey man, I gotta go get this fucking money.
Doesn't work. You say okay.
Yeah, okay. No,
So you know about that WAP.
hold on.
So you know about that WAP in the top.
If you know what the fuck you're doing, is this like any girl?
Has nothing to do with the man.
Yeah.
No.
If you know
Has
what the fuck
nothing to
you're
do with the
doing,
man.
if you know what you're doing,
So listen, so your argument is.
The GoPro?
Yes.
Yes, it is. What kind of Colorado? What part?
Y'all ask a lot of questions.
How are we supposed to get to know you without asking
Mine's
questions?
always want to know.
How are we supposed to get to know you without asking questions?
I appreciate that. I'm very
Questions. So what other questions would you like answered?
We already asked you a question that you haven't answered yet.
Can you touch your toes and pat your head
I
at the same
can touch
time?
my toes, but I don't know about.
You can touch your toes.
You
You can touch your. You can touch your toes.
If you're speaking to someone that can't touch their toes, it's
I said, hold up, no, whoa.
You can touch
He definitely.
What?
Time off.
Listen, when he try to touch his toes, he make this noise.
I never said.
If I go like this, I would touch my toes. You see this belly?
Listen, he goes. Huh? He been over.
You gotta try.
There we
Yes,
go.
there you go.
No, not there you go. No, I said touch your toes.
We know it's
This is how
You gotta be on defense.
He did spray Rand's walls.
I'm about to smoke it. Stop throwing that shit up. Stop throwing that shit up, dude. Stop throwing that bullshit up, dude.
That's some wet ass pussy.
Say hey.
Hey, my
Hey.
hair's frizzy and it looks
It's okay, but you're at home. See, B said you're sexy.
Don't put me on any platform.
I will, only YouTube. 3.
You're lying.
I wouldn't lie to you. I would not lie to you.
on your breath, on your clothes.
I said earlier.
No. Are you really? Really? This motherfucker has me on video.
Look at her. She struck a pose. She know what time it is. The camera goes. Listen, you've been here before.
Okay, follow me on YouTube.
Hey, let's go.
I'm just kidding. I don't have a YouTube, but
Can
follow
you
me.
not?
How they gonna follow you?
Instagram.
Can you not?
Hold up. I'm not done. Instagram. Rebecca Rose K. Instagram. Follow me.
Emily, can
Emily.
you put this man's video away?
That's why I said pussy. We don't.
I go in beast mode. I got the cheat code hot. I caught a heat stroke. She want a deep throat cold like it's the East Coast.